My name is Billy Dunster-Charnock and I did the T-level plumbing course. T-levels are different than other courses as you can go into domestic properties while you're in the course. As you have work experience, you can either do commercial or domestic work experience, which the college sets up for you. You get work experience while you're learning, so you can learn about the on-site qualifications and the off-site qualifications, such as the stuff you learn in college and the stuff you learn out of college, and you can put them together. I got the chance to go into the domestic industry and the commercial industry. So that means I got the best of both worlds and I got to pick which one I preferred. As I completed the T-level, I got 2 years ahead on the apprenticeship, which means that I'm in front of my classmates and that I've only have 2 years left of being a qualified engineer.
Get ahead. T-levels, the next level qualification.